Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, February the 9th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well. The first one will be number 7970. 7970. Alright, let me put this here. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 30 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think so. I don't think this one is a 3 stars puzzle. Rather, it should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. We will see if this is a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in third row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, cannot continue with 3. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 7 in the last row. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the last row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the third column, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, and now can I do this the same for here? No, need a 1 here. And I need a 2 here. 1, 2, need a 5. And I need a 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, and I need 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 and a 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. So 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only 3 place left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in that row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay, 2, 2. 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the only box left for the 5 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. That means we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those. We have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Number 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 and 8. We have 8 now in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Let me think. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair here. That means the other 2 numbers should be the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Wow, will be difficult. 4 and 8. Here also 4 and 8. Okay. 3, 3. Need a 9 here. Okay, here 1 and a 5 are left in the last row. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Do we have all the ones? And all the ones are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 2, number 1. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second, in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the 7, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 in the 7, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Then. So here, 4 and 8, we have a 4 here. Overlook this 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 8. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. The other pair in, oh no, not 1 number left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, yeah, the 5, the 6 is missing. Double check, 6, 6, yeah. Alright, here 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 4 and the 7 are left. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. One box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 now in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. I cannot believe this, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. Publisher, wrong indication. Not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. It's a 0 stars. Yeah, with 30 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be an easy one. Maybe for George, this one you need to complete it in 6 minutes. Yeah, maybe 5 minutes and 30 seconds, I guess. We'll see. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.